Hello, I Dr. Vijay Chandra Jadala welcomes you to VC Tech Education. As part of Python programming concepts, today we are going to discuss regarding dictionaries. Python dictionary is in Python dictionary each key is separated by its value by a colon. The items are separated by commas and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. An empty dictionary without any items is written with just curly braces like opening curly braces and closing curly braces. Keys are unique within a dictionary while values may not be. The values of a dictionary can be of any type, but the keys must be of an immutable data type such as strings, numbers, or tuples. Dictionaries. Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items. Dictionaries are mutable. That is, it is possible to add, modify, and delete key value pairs. Keys are used instead of indexes. Keys are used to access elements in dictionary, and keys can be of type string, number, list, etc. A list of an element with key and value pair separated by colon symbol. Instead, inside curly braces, the key must be unique, that is immutable, separated by a colon and enclosed with a curly braces. While other compound data types have only value as an element, a dictionary has a set of key and value pair known as item. Creating a dictionary is as simple as placing item inside a curly braces, separated by comma. We can also create a dictionary using the built-in function DICT. Dictionary is known as associative array. Example, plant equal to opening and closing. Plant 1, plant 2, plant name, plant color, plant print plant. So this is an example. Create an empty dictionary, that is my underscore DICT equal to opening and closing braces. To create an empty dictionary, we have to use opening curly braces and closing curly braces. Dictionary with integer keys. My DICT equal to opening braces 1 colon apple 2 colon ball closing curly braces. Dictionary with mixed keys. My underscore DICT equal to opening braces name colon John 1 colon 2 3 4 L colon 2 3 4. Using DICT, my DICT equal to DICT of 1 apple 2 ball. So these all are the examples related to the dictionary. Accessing elements in dictionary. While indexing is used with other containers, type to access values, dictionaries use keys. Keys can be used either inside a square bracket or within get method. The difference while using get is that it returns none instead of key error if the key is not found. Example output my underscore DICT opening braces name colon student comma age colon 26. So When you print the name, it will print the student. When you print the age, it will print 26. When you ask to print the address, none, since address is not declared. Changing or adding elements in dictionary. Dictionaries are mutable. We can add new items or change the value of existing items using assignment operator. If the key is already present, you values get updated, else a new key value pair is added to the dictionary. Example, my underscore DICD opening braces age colon 26 comma in double quotes name colon SC, then my DIC underscore DICD age equal to 27 print my underscore DICD. So this is all the example and the output you are going to get this. So as part of practical session related to the dictionaries, you can check this as in practicals. Next, accessing values in dictionary, we are going to discuss. To access the dictionary elements, you can use the familiar square brackets along with the key to obtain its value. You can see the example here, and you can do the practical with this particular example. Next, deleting or removing elements from a dictionary. We can remove a particular item in a dictionary by using the method pop. The method removes as an item with the provided key and returns the value. The method pop item can be used to remove and return an arbitrary item key comma value from the dictionary. All the items can be removed at once using the clear method. We can also use the del keyword to remove individual items or the entire dictionary item, entire dictionary itself. Example, squares opening braces 1 colon 1 comma 2 colon 4 comma 3 colon 9 comma 4 colon 16 5 colon 25. Create a dictionary. Then using the pop squares dot pop for squares. So fourth value, the square value will be given as an output. Output is 16. So these all are the examples. You can check these examples using the Python programming. Next, dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension is an elegant and concise way to create a new dictionary from an iterable in Python. Dictionary comprehension consists of an expression pair key colon value followed by for statements inside curly braces. Here is an example to make a dictionary with each item being a pair of a number and its square. Example is given here, and it will print the number as well as its square within the range of 6. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next is the code is equivalent to x into x. So 0 square equal to 0, 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25. So in first we use the squares option, in second we used x into x. Dictionary comprehension. A dictionary comprehension can optionally contain more for or if statements. An optional if statement can filter out items to form the new dictionary. Here are some examples to make dictionary with only odd items. So the example is given here. So the odd items should be identified. The range is x range is up to 11. If x divided by 2 equal to 11, then only those are odd items. That means modulus is equal to 1. If we divide the x with 2, if you get the remainder 1, then that value only the squares will be printed as an output. So the range is up to 11. So 0 remainder is not 1. So 1 remainder is 1. So 1 square equal to 1. 2 remainder is 0. So it's not matching. Then comes to 3. 3 remainder is 1. So 3 colon 3 square is the 9. Then 4 remainder is 0. It's not matching, that x modulus 2 equal to 1. So then 5 modulus 2 equal to 1. So 5 colon 25. In the same way 7 and 9. So all the odd numbers within the range of 11 up to 11, 0 to 10, the values are printed. Then comes the dictionary memory test. We can test if a key is in a dictionary or not using the keyword in. Notice that membership test is for keys only, not for values. Squares equal to 1 colon 1, 3 colon 9, 5 colon 25, 7 colon 49, 9 colon 81. So first one is the actual number, second one is the square. So here membership can test the value is exact value or not. So true and false, like that the value membership test can be done. Iterating through a dictionary using for loop. So we are using for loop with the dictionary. We can iterate through each key in a dictionary. Squares 1 colon 1, 3 colon 9, 5 colon 25, 7 colon 49, 9 colon 81. For I in squares, print squares of I. So for loop is going to be print every time 1, then comes to 9, then 25, then 49, then 81. Next, built-in functions with the dictionary. All, any, len, CMP, then sorted. All returns true if all keys of the dictionary are true, or if the dictionary is empty. Next, on any returns true if any key of the dictionary is true. If the dictionary is empty, returns false. Len, return the length, the number of items in the dictionary. CMP, D1, D2, compares items of two dictionaries sorted. Return a new sorted list of keys in the dictionary. Any within the clauses and all. Any 1 equal to t for 1 in Python returns true, same as t in Python. All 1 equal to t for 1 in Python returns false, not all the letters are t. Square equal to opening braces, closing braces, 0 colon 0, 0 colon 9, 0 colon 7, 0 colon 12. Squares equal to 1 colon 1, 3 colon 9, 5 colon 25, 7 colon 49. Print len of squares, print sorted squares, print CMP, squares comma square. So these all are the examples. You can do it in as part of practical session and get the output. Next, dictionary methods. str method. The method str produces the printable string representation of the dictionary. Syntax str in parenthesis dict. Then copy method. The method copy returns a shallow copy of the dictionary. So these programs you can check using the practical at the time of practicals. From keys method. The method from keys create a new dictionary with keys from sequent values set to value. If we don't specify a value in DICT, it assumes a key none. DICT.from key is a sequence of value. So an example program is given, check it off. Next, hash underscore key method. The method hash underscore key returns true if a key value is available in the dictionary. Otherwise, it returns a false. Dicd dot hash underscore key of key. So the program is given. Check the output is will be given whether it is a true or false. Age, it's given 7. Sex, here in the dictionary sex is not there, so it will give the value as false. Items method. The method items return a list of dictionary key values triple pairs. Dicd dot items. Dicd equal to opening braces name colon Zara comma age of 7. Print values colon percentage s colon percentage dicd of items. So here the output is given. This example also check as part of practical session. Then set default method. The method set default is similar to get but will set dicd of key equal to default if key is not already in dicd. Syntax dicd dot set default of key comma default equal to none. Example dicd equal to opening braces name colon Zara comma age colon 7 value equal to percentage s the percentage dicd dot set default age comma none value percentage s dicd dot set default 6 comma none. So output will be 7, value is none. Update method. The method update adds dictionary dicds to key pair values in to dictionary. The function does not return anything. Dicd dot update of dicd2. Example dicd equal to name Zara age. Dicd2 sex female. Dicd dot update dicd2. You are going to update dicd2. So print a value of percentage as dicd. So the value will be given age, name and sex. Next, values method. The method value returns a list of all the values available in a given dictionary. Dicd dot values. Dicd equal to name colon Zara comma age colon 7. Print value percentage s percentage dicd dot values value colon 7 comma Zara. By this we completed the topic known as the Python dictionary. Once again I am revising. The Python dictionary is in Python dictionary each key is separated from its value by a colon. The items are separated by commas and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. An empty dictionary without any items is written with just two curly braces like opening braces and closing braces. Keys are unique within a dictionary while values may not be. The values of the dictionary can be of any type, but the keys must be of immutable data type, that is string, number or tuples. This is all about the introductory part as well as the regarding the accessing values of dictionary and other concepts in dictionaries. By this, I conclude my lecture. Hope you all understood well. Thank you. Thank you very much.